In a small village named Shivapur, there lived a young boy named Ramesh. He was 17 years old, full of dreams, and eager to change his family's fate. His father, Kishan, was a hard-working farmer, and his mother, Lata, took care of the house. Life in the village was simple. People woke up early, worked in the fields, and gathered under the big banyan tree in the evening to share stories. But Ramesh was different from the other village boys. While they enjoyed playing and wasting time, he dreamed of becoming an engineer. He knew that education was the only way to bring his family out of poverty. One evening, as he sat under the dim light of an oil lamp, his father placed a gentle hand on his shoulder. "Son," Kishan said, "I know you want to do something great, but remember, the world is full of distractions. If you lose focus, your dreams will slip away like sand from your fingers." Ramesh listened carefully, but did not fully understand his father's words. He thought, "What kind of distractions? I just have to study hard." He did not realize that life would test him in many ways. Ramesh was determined to study, but soon he made new friends in the village, Manoj and Suresh. They were the kind of boys who always found shortcuts in life. They often skipped school and wasted time in tea stalls, gossiping about others. One afternoon, as Ramesh walked home from school, Manoj stopped him. "Ramesh, why are you always in a hurry? Come with us. We are going to the town fair. There's a magic show and free sweets." Ramesh hesitated. He knew he had an important math test the next day, but the thought of a magic show excited him. "One evening won't make a difference," he told himself. That evening, instead of studying, he spent hours at the fair, laughing, eating sweets, and watching the magician. When he returned home, it was too late to study. The next day, he failed his test. When his father saw his report card, he sighed. "Son, distractions are like thieves. They steal your time without you realizing it," he said. "A small mistake today can become a habit tomorrow." Ramesh felt ashamed but did not fully understand. One day, a man named Babulal came to the village. He was well dressed and claimed to have an easy way to earn money. "Why struggle so much? Join my business and you will be rich in no time," he promised. Many young boys in the village, including Manoj and Suresh, were excited. "No need to study. We can start earning today," they said. Ramesh too was tempted. Was his hard work really necessary? Could he take an easier route? But when he told his father about it, Kishan laughed. "Son, shortcuts may look easy, but they are like a mirage in the desert. By the time you realize the truth, you will have lost everything." Kishan took Ramesh to a small broken hut in the village. Inside lived Raghu Kaka, an old man who had once been wealthy. Raghu Kaka trusted a man like Babulal years ago. He lost everything. "Now he has nothing," Kishan said. Seeing Raghu Kaka's misery, Ramesh realized his father was right. He decided to stay focused and not fall for easy tricks. As time passed, Ramesh avoided bad company and shortcuts, but a new distraction came, the cinema hall in the nearby town. His friends often talked about movies and actors. "Come with us, Ramesh. A new action film has released, okay," they said. At first, he refused, but one day, out of curiosity, he went. The bright lights, loud music, and thrilling action pulled him in. One movie became 2, then 3. Soon, his studies suffered again. He found himself daydreaming about movies instead of focusing on his books. One night, his mother, Lata, sat beside him. "Beta, do you know why a farmer never takes his eyes off the plow?" she asked. "Why, Ma?" Ramesh asked. "Because if he looks elsewhere, even for a moment, the plow will go in the wrong direction and the crop will be ruined. Life is the same. If you keep looking at distractions, you will ruin your future. Her words hit him like a rock. He realized that small distractions had slowly stolen his time and energy. He made a promise: no more distractions. Now fully focused, Ramesh studied hard. He woke up early, helped his father in the fields, and then spent hours preparing for his exams. But success was slow. He failed some tests, struggled with difficult topics, and sometimes felt hopeless. One day, he sat under the banyan tree, exhausted. His father joined him. "Son, do you know how long it takes for a bamboo tree to grow?" Kishan asked. Ramesh shook his head. "It stays underground for 5 years. No one sees any growth. But in the 6th year, it suddenly shoots up 80 feet. Ramesh listened carefully. "You are like that bamboo tree. Just because you don't see success today doesn't mean your hard work is wasted. Keep going," Kishan said. That night, Ramesh wiped his tears and continued studying. Years passed. Ramesh cleared his engineering entrance exam and left for the city to study. His hard work finally paid off. After many struggles, he became a successful engineer and returned to his village. When he stepped off the bus, the same villagers who once doubted him now welcomed him with pride. His father, with tears in his eyes, said, "You proved that a focused mind can achieve anything." Ramesh smiled. He had learned the biggest lesson in life. Success is not about talent or luck, but about focus and avoiding distractions. Dear viewers, life is full of distractions. Some may seem fun, some may seem easy, and some may even look like opportunities. But in the end, distractions only take you away from your dreams. If you want success, learn to say no to distractions. Stay focused, be patient, and trust your journey. Your time is precious. Use it wisely.